Hey, I guess something a little bit different for you this week. Some of you may remember in the winter, I went to the Red Room Sound Studio in Torrington, Connecticut, where my friend Donnie and my friend Mick, who owns the place, and I recorded a song that I wrote, and I used all my hollow core door instruments, and we called the band The Jam with a B, and it was so much fun. I wanted to do another song with them, so we wrote this song that I'm about to share with you right now. So why don't we just have a listen first?
Driving through the country to the Benjamin Moore, get a fresh coat of paint to put on the dance floor. My cute little baby, tattooed arm in the sun, smiling at sunrise after a night of good fun at the gin joint on the edge of our two-horse town. Love drinking moonshine, a Woodford Reserve, maybe some 151 if you all have the nerve. Bring your smile, leave your hat at our country saloon. We start drinking at sunset and howling at the moon at the gin joint on the edge of our two-horse town. The party is jumping, the whole room is bumping. The band's really cooking, playing golf books or something. Little old mama gives guitarist a kiss.
Hey man, you alright?
No, man, all I could taste is the Schlitz. The Schlitz.
Now all he tastes is her Schlitz on his lips. Come on, Mick. Driving through the country to the next liquor store. Gotta stock up the bar so we can do it once more at the gin joint on the edge. At our gin joint on the edge of our two-horse town. Party never stops. Party on, Donnie. Party on, Mick.
Gotta start heading toward the door. Let's go 10 minutes ago. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here.
There's a lot more to this story, and before I tell it to you, I would love to hear what you think of the song. Please be as honest as you can be in the comments below, and then make sure you tune in next week where I will explain a little bit more about the whole process of creating this song, why we created it, and why there's a green screen behind me in my K-Truck. All right, thanks a lot, and be good.
I think it just said party on, Donnie. That's weird.
That's a lot of Donnies out there. Donnie everywhere.
I don't know, that kind of sounds like you.
Kind of voice. Oh, watch out. Almost there.